So now you've seen our incredible BT1 product. So this is a list of some frequently asked questions. Firstly, what is BT1? BT1 is a tri-brit polymer for the ultimate in sealing, bonding and grouting in bathrooms. So what's unique about BT1? Well, BT1 is a unique tri-brit polymer and is the only product on the market today tested and designed to withstand attacks from E. coli, MRSA, mold, fungi and other bacteriums. Does BT1 do the same applications as CT1? Internally, yes, although BT1 has added advantages in the bathroom environment. However, for external application, CT1 would be your product of choice. Is CT1 not mold resistant? CT1 has a moderate to good resistancy to mold and fungal. But due to domestic properties being built with much higher insulating capacity, this puts unprecedented demands on polymeric sealants, including CT1. This is why our R&D department created the ultimate mold and fungal resistant product, that is our BT1. Now, bearing in mind that the area being applied to must be mold and fungal free with sufficient cleaning and preparation before installation. To retain BT1's properties, it is advisable that you use domestic bathroom bleach as opposed to harsh chemicals when cleaning the product. So a couple of more frequently asked questions to finish. Is BT1 as strong an adhesion as CT1? Simple answer, yes. Is BT1 and CT1 the same price? Simple answer, yes. And does BT1 come in a range of colours? No, at this moment in time, BT1 just comes in white to suit the majority of bathroom applications. So that's it about our BT1 product. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us on www.ct1.com.